Hello, Richard here from Eagle 6. We're just testing this TM Mark 18. This one has had some small repairs onto the stock where we've put the bar in there when it was missing, and we've also put a connector on the back, and then we've sort of put the Dean's conversion in there just for connecting normal batteries up. It's going to be a LP308 running that, 1300. We've installed the Gate Titan Advanced, FPS TAPPET plate, FPS nozzle, FPS piston, the carbon fibre one, FPS piston head, FPS spring guide, FPS cylinder, FPS air nozzle. We've got the Eagle 6 upgraded recoil spring. We've got the FPS spring in this one with 2 spaces in order to bring the FPS down to 345 and 283 on 3s. We've got Prometheus gears 18:1 combined with the Ronin 31K, Prometheus anti-reverse latch, and Prometheus selector plate. We've also installed the Laylax sling point and castle nut on there, and the trigger pin. We've fit the PTS grip onto there just to change the look a little bit, and we'll also fit the PTS selector on the side here, if you know what I mean. The BAD style one. I think that's it. All the custom bits and bobs, and I'm just going to demonstrate it working. There we go, all tested, and we hope you enjoy. Thank you.